Today, we'll be showing how to update the MMSI on the Quark-Elec A054T portable Class B+ AIS transponder. First up, power on the A054T, then connect to its Wi-Fi network. Within a browser, head to 192.168.4.1. Next, the A054T must be connected to a network with a stable internet connection. Enter the SSID and password of your network and click Config. If the details are correct, a message will appear confirming this and showing the IP address assigned. If incorrect, a message will also appear stating this. Take note or copy the new IP address. Now, connect to the same network that has just been used to connect to the A054T and either type or copy and paste the IP address into a new tab or browser. Navigate to the Vessel Information Setup page. Upon loading the page, any saved vessel data will be automatically read. At this stage, the MMSI field is greyed out as it has already been configured. However, all other vessel information can be amended and saved freely. For demonstration purposes, we will change the vessel information and will be saving these fields in the next steps. Navigate down to the next section named Update MMSI. This is where the new MMSI and verification code is entered. First, enter the new MMSI, then scroll to the bottom section and enter the contact information and check the box. This must be accurate as the verification code will be sent to the email address provided here. Once satisfied the details are correct, click Submit within the Update MMSI field. This will trigger the verification process to begin. During this step, the status will change to pending and the unit will not transmit. Once the code has been received, ensure the same new MMSI is still entered above and then enter the code and click Verify and Activate. If successful, a message will appear reflecting this. The status will change to verified and the unit will now begin to transmit again. We can now also click Save for any changes to ship name, call signing, etc. We can double check the new MMSI has been applied by reloading the page or clicking Read. The change will also be reflected on the onboard display. We will be able to confirm the unit is transmitting by observing the dedicated indicators on the display. When all are not currently functioning, they will be grey. For GPS, once a fix has been obtained, it will be illuminated green for the duration of the fix. TX will flash green for approximately 1 second for every AIS transmission, and RX will be illuminated for 1 minute after receiving an AIS target. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.